We open on a beautiful living room decorated with a mix of modern and vintage pieces. The focal point of room is large fireplace decorated with a garland of greenery and twinkling lights. A close-up of a hand arranging a vase of red roses on the fireplace mantel. We see that the hand belongs to our host, a young woman in her late with a warm and friendly demeanor. Welcome to my channel. We are talking about inspiring your creative and making your home a beautiful place. Today we are talking about Valentine's Day decoration. Whether you are single or in a relationship, Valentine's Day is the perfect excuse to add a little love and romance to your home. So let's start it. One of the easiest and most classic way to decorate for Valentine's Day is with flowers. Roses are popular choice, but don't be afraid to mix it up with other flowers in shade of pink, red and white. When it comes to flowers, it's all about mixing and matching different textures and colors. I love the way these peonies and ranunculus complement the roses. And don't be afraid to play around with different vases and container. A vintage milk jug or a mason jar can add a unique touch to your bouquet. A close-up of table shot for a romantic dinner. The table is adorned with a white tablecloth, candlelight, and a centerpiece of red rose and greenery. Setting a romantic table is another great way to add a touch of love to your home, and it doesn't have to be fancy. A simple white tablecloth, some candles, and a beautiful centerpiece are all you need to create a special atmosphere. Arranging a centerpiece of red roses, greenery, and a few branches of cherry blossoms. For this centerpiece, I have used a mix of red roses, greenery, and cherry blossoms. The cherry blossom add a touch of elegance and romance, and they are also a great way to incorporate a pop of pink into your color scheme. A close-up of mantle decorated with candle, rose petal, and a heart-shaped garland made of greenery. The fireplace mantle is another great place to add some Valentine's Day decorations. Candles are a must, they add a warm and romantic glow to the room. And don't be afraid to get a little creative with your garlands. I made this one with a mix of greenery and a few sprigs of berries for a pop of color. Cut to arranging a garland of greenery and berries on the mantle. When it comes to garland, it's all about layering and mixing different textures. I love way the a close-up of a table set for a romantic dinner. The table is adorned with a white tablecloth, candlelight, and a centerpiece of red and greenery. And it doesn't have to be fancy. A simple white tablecloth, some candles, and a beautiful centerpiece all you need to create a special atmosphere. Arranging a centerpiece